Alrighty, so today we're going to test out the Hero 10 in more of a cinematic environment. Today we're not going to be using any sort of stabilization, and we're going to rely on ReelSteady because ReelSteady has recently released some updates that work really well with the Hero 10. Did I say Hero 10 when I started this video? I think I did. Anyways, this is a park that I've flown at a couple of times, and the reason why I like flying here is because look at this. These trees are truly amazing. And there's a lake, and there's a pavilion. There also looks like there's some sort of bird club here, so probably gonna get kicked out, but we'll see how this goes. For a brief moment, I thought I was getting kicked out because I saw a park official show up. Last time I was here, they were like, oh, you can't fly here. Does that drone have a camera? I'm like, yes. They're like, oh, there's kids here. You can't fly. Weirdest thing that ever happened to me. But anyways, I'm going to go back, render this out. So I'm really not going to know how this looks. So I'm going to be relying on you all to tell me what you think. Personally, it flew pretty damn good. I was getting noticeably less battery life with the 10 on here, but that's the same if you're using the Hero 9. But I am interested to see how ReelSteady does, and I'm also interested to see how that new processor does with the details, because I was really close to those branches and trees. So with the new processor, it should mean that it's going to capture and be able to process more information, which in turn should give us a more detailed image. I could be wrong on how that works, but I'm usually wrong. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Stay original.